cities are coming out of lockdown and what they are calling unlock one. What we are facing right now is a problem of a lot of decisions that need to be taken. For example, what shops need to be opened, which area should be opened up first, should the asymptomatic high point contacts, like say supermarket clerks who are doing billing for customers, should they be tested? How should they be tracked? Should the people be allowed to venture out in malls? What kind of restaurants should open up first? Should the educational institutes be opened up at all? If offices open up, which part of the city should open up first? What happens in areas which are within a 5 kilometer radius of a containment zone? These are a lot of decisions that need to be taken up by a city. So, all in all, a city needs to decide what happens to all of these factors. So, taking all these decisions is a lot for a civic body. So, what we see when we talk to the cities is that the municipal corporations are more or less depending on data analytics firms who are handholding them through these various tough decisions. So what the data analytics firms do is, make a model for a mathematical modeling exercise is done, which takes a lot of things into account. For example, if say Charminar area of Hyderabad needs to be opened up. Now, Charminar, everybody knows, has been a huge problem as far as the containment area is concerned. It has had a very large spread of COVID. So I spoke to firms like Sapio Analytics is one such firm which has handheld the Telangana government in opening up. So what the firms do is take these data points and put them on what they say a data-backed decision-making system. So when we have these data points, we look at these data points and what they call is a hyper-local data. So hyperlocal means what may work for Charminar area might not work for the rest of Hyderabad area. So they take these data points and uh, use these data points to analyze the situation and also predict for the government what will be the COVID spread once they say A, open up this part of the industry, B, open up the restaurants and have the dine-in facility. And at the same time, they also tell the government, the civic body, what kind of COVID cases they can see, what kind of spread with unlock one. At the same time, they also help the city in understanding what would be their beds requirement, hospital beds requirements. In Bangalore is another such example. Bangalore is one city which jumped onto the data analytics modeling very early when it came to pandemic. In March, when lockdown 1 was imposed, decided to turn its Bangalore is a smart city, so Bangalore decided to turn its command and control center into COVID war room. So here they developed dashboards. It became the center point for all these awareness messages and also managing their quarantine facilities. If there is person who is working as a delivery boy for a restaurant, or say for a common you have these like say Swiggy, so you service a lot of restaurants, and Swiggy delivery boys would be one high risk group. So Bangalore has developed these models where they identify these groups in a particular area which they are planning to unlock. When they identify these groups, they do tracing. They trace these people. They ensure that they are aware of the risks they run, and then they also run awareness campaigns. They have these advisories which they implement. Now, all these are done. Again, it's another data modeling exercise. At the same time, the Bangalore Municipal Corporation also realized that suddenly the office space is getting vacated. More and more companies are using the option of work from home. So, as more and more people are working from home, office space is getting vacated. At the same time, there are young professionals who have lost their jobs, which is now a reality, but they want to now shift to from a flat which like a chamari, they would want to shift to a paying guest location. So they have brought on to a common platform, again through a data modeling exercise and a data driven platform, all these stakeholders which get now connected to each other and know each other's needs and can get in touch. So it's a very big thing for real estate. Now, both Gujarat and UP are obviously two states which are facing this problem of sudden influx of migrant population who need employment. Both the cities have migrant labor management apps, and whereas in Surat it has been used to track where are these migrants, where are they camping, are they with the employers, what access do they have to healthcare facilities. It has helped them in ensuring that the pandemic does not get them. At the same time, in UP, the labor force is being mapped as far as this skill sets is concerned. Sapio Analytics is doing a lot of work for them, where they will be, mapped. The skill mapping will be done for these people. So in every district, they would know what kind of labor is available and how can they be given jobs.